Hi guys, how are you? So I am painting tonight and I'm very excited about it. It is, actually I'm not even gonna see the date because I never put these up in the right order. So it's Thursday and I haven't done anything all week. And I'm looking forward to tonight. So I am painting on a 10 by 10 Artist Loft canvas. I am still playing with the Arteza paints, and I actually had ordered on Prime the 14 color box, and I do really like the paints, so I ordered the 60 color count. They are so creamy and smooth, and the colors are absolutely gorgeous. I really love them. I'm very happy about it, and I wanted to get more. So I actually made this paint, the white, really thin because I want the paint to move around really well on it. So I'm going to just do the base coat. And the base coat is with 1 part Artist Loft white and 2 parts Floetrol, and I did the other colors that way as well. Okay, felt like something had shifted or moved. This is actually very smooth. I probably could have blow dried this out, but it's too late now. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. I definitely could have blow dried that. That probably would have been a perfect blow dry. But that's okay. Yeah, it's really nice and smooth, and I wanted to do that because I want the paint to really flow over the canvas. The last couple times I realized I kind of made it a little too dark, so thick. I'm gonna torch this real quick. All right. Okay. So I think I'm gonna do Dutch pour. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do Dutch pour. So let's do blue. So that is ultramarine blue. This is pale green. This is lemon yellow. This is phthalo green. I know I never say that word right, so sorry. Just kind of what it is. This is yellow orchard. Okay. This is phthalo blue. And then this is the teal. This is golden teal. So just because I don't have teal yet. Then I'm gonna put white around it. And the other thing I do is I don't think I actually put enough white. So, all right, I'm gonna blow dry this over. All right, and I'm gonna let this sit for a moment because I really want it to ferment. So this is set for a couple minutes. I actually ended up having to run upstairs. The dogs were barking. Somebody was at the front door. So, and I love what it's done. I'm gonna torch it real quick. Just Just make sure there's no bubbles. Okay, and now we're going to blow dry it. Okay, so I love the outskirts of this. Not too happy with the I mean, I love what's happening right here. Now there's no silicone in the paints. So it is just 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol to with some water to get it to the consistency that I wanted it. And so the consistency is, it is, you know, very cool. Love it. Okay, so what am I gonna do here? So let me see if I can blow this back a little. I don't want to lose any of that. I want to kind of bring the green. Actually, I wonder if I could do that with a straw. Let me see if I could do that. Where's my straw? Oh, here's my straw. Okay. All right, so I'm kind of happy with that.
All right, let's turn this around one more time. All right, starting to feel this, starting to feel it. Let me just pick something right here. Okay, that's good. There's just a little section that did not be right. There we go. All right.
Hey, I am liking this. Okay, let's hit the torch. Now here's the thing with the torch, and I know I've said this a few times. With this mixture, oh my God, I'm in love with the cells on this. I'm in love with the colors. And let me bring this close. Look at this craziness. These Arteza colors are paints are so pigmented. I just love it. Like, you don't lose anything. That is very cool. Very cool. Okay, so I'm gonna hit it with the torch, and you're gonna see that I'm gonna torch it a little while, because what happens is more things over time jump out. The cells like really build and come out, and it takes a little heat, so you got to just go over it. Though a lot of stuff just really jumped out. Here we go. Here we go. It brings like whatever color layers underneath to the surface, and I just love it. All right, so I'm okay with that. Okay, so here's a couple things. I don't like this little smidge right there, and I think I can probably blow that out instead of pull it out. So let's see how that goes. All right, so that was like some green paint there. That went away. Good. Okay. I don't know about this one little line right there. Let's see what I can do. That feels like it's out of place. All right, so that got taken care of. Ooh, I am loving this. Loving it. All right, so I just see like right here, there's like, doesn't have any paint, which is weird because I definitely had paint on it. All right, so that's good. Okay, love this. Love it. Very, 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 very happy with this. Holy cow, I am really, really happy with this. This is more than I thought it was. And like, I thought that I killed it with the center, because I've been really kind of experimenting on how I blow it out. I tend to like blow too heavy, and any cells that form I kind of wipe away, and I didn't want to do that. But this one I didn't have that because it was really covered by the white. So I am feeling this, baby. Feeling it. So yay. Yay. I'm done. Okay. This was enough. I really like it. I'm just trying to think if there's any sections, like maybe blow this out just a little. But I kind of like the white, but it doesn't really go over here. So I'm going to just blow this out just a little. Yeah, I like that better. I wish I had like more white here. Let's see if I can get some white to pop up. Yep. Yay! That was exactly what I wanted. Get some. Oh, look at the blue coming up. Oh, even through the yellow, I love that. Let's see what we could do there. All right, so here's the crazy thing too. I got this torch on Prime Day, and I got it, it's like a cigar lighter. It's like really little. Like, see my hand? Like, it's really little. And I was like, oh, I'm gonna send it back, it's too little. And then I was doing some creating with my niece, and that was like the perfect size for me to use with her, because this one would have been way too scary for her. And it is the greatest torch in the world. It's 1,000 times better than the other one. So I'm really happy that I actually opened it. So this is this, and I'm in love. I hope you guys enjoy it. I highly recommend the Arteza colors. I really, really recommend it. This is the 14 box. Sorry that that's backwards. I'll put the link in the video. I think on Prime Day it was like $10, and so I wanted to try them out because there's a ton of artists talking about them and testing them, and I love them. Highly recommend. Bye. Thanks for watching. So much fun. I love this piece. Look at the colors. Sorry for the glare. So pretty.